Hello guys, my name is Victor Duafemi, and guys, I welcome you guys to my channel, VTech the Dev. So I would like you guys to like and subscribe and also push the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be quickly notified. So today actually we are not doing too much. We are just going to be working on a simple chat app with Python. Very beginner friendly, guys. It is very beginner friendly. So it's not actually a real chat system, right? There's a lot that is into a chat system, a real chat system, but this one is just going to show you the simple logic behind it, right? It's not a real chat system, but with this chat system you are going to learn how you are going to learn variables, you are going to learn loops, you are going to learn if else statement, conditional statement. So you are going to learn a lot. So I want you guys to sit down, and code with me. Thank you very much. So actually this is my VS code, and as you can see, this is blank, so we are just going to be coding right away. So let's start with so we're just going to start with a variable. So we are just going to have two users, right? Two user. So we could either use user 1 or user 2, but I prefer let's just use Mike and Jake. Let's use Mike and Jake. So let's just start with Mike. So this is a variable, right? This is a variable. Mike is the variable name, and what we are going to be, so this is a variable name, this is a operator, right? This is an assignment operator. So we are assigning the variable to a value. So the value is going to be a input, right? It's going to be a input. So it's going to be an input. It's going to be Mike. Type a message. So this is going to be Mike. Type a message, right? So type a message, then we're going to use, we have the send too. So it's going to be input, send, let's just use send, or we can just use press send, right? So we are just going to change this to a lowercase, sorry. So why do we use this in Python? So lowercase is lower is a built-in function. So we also have upper. So we can also use upper. We can also use lower. So why we are using lower is because we want to try and protect error, or try and save ourselves from error, something like that. So with this lower function, whatever you type in the input is going to be a lowercase. So even though you type uppercase, it's going to be a lowercase. So we're just trying to prevent errors, right? So let I just okay. So I want you guys to see it. So print send. So let's just do this first. Sorry. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Yeah. So hello. I feel there's an issue in my terminal. Okay, no issue. So press send. So there is send. Print out send. So let's try it again one more time. But this time it's going to be, we're going to be using a capital letter. So hello, how are you doing? So let's just use capital letter. See, send. Right, so it's going to convert it to a lowercase letter. So just to prevent errors, that's why we are doing that. So I'm just going to take this off. So it will not be if, right, send equal to send, right? So if that means if the user, so let's say your WhatsApp, so you type in a message, which is this, right? So let's say this means you type in a message. Let's take WhatsApp for an example. You type in a message, and when you type in the message, you click send. So that's if you click send, this is gonna happen, right? So if you click send, it's gonna be print, right? Print, print f mic, so plus mic message, right? So this is going to print this when you click send. So it's going to click what's my input here. So that's how we have here. So we are going to have here, then that means it's going to display what Mike sent. If you click send, then it's going to bring Jake. So Jake will be input, Jake type a message. So it's going to be Jake type a message, right? So Jake type a message if, right? So if so we're gonna have this here also. Yeah, so we're gonna have this here also. Press send. So Jake, yeah. So if send equal to send, that means if Jake our friends sends, right? So it's gonna be, so we are just gonna do this. Print, so it will be print Jake, it's going to be print Jake plus Jake message, right? This is going to say print Jake plus Jake message, so print Jake plus Jake message. And let's try that. So type in a message. Hello, how are you? You doing? Press send. Hello, how are you doing? That's from Mike. J, I am fine. Press send. See, Jake, I am fine. So this is very nice. So now we are going to use a while loop now, so that it can keep iterating, right? It can keep iterating. So let's put this. Sorry. What I did is I pressed Ctrl S to just cut that. So it's something easy. So white shoe. So this goes here. So right. So it keep iterating now. So it keep iterating. That's loop. Just keep iterating. So let's try this again. So my type a message. Okay, hello, how are you doing? Press send. Mike, hello, how are you doing? I'm fine. Bro, send. Wow. Mike, it goes back to Mike, type a message. That's good though. Long time no see. Send. Wow, long time no see. Abio. Send. See? So, see, Mike, hello, how are you doing? Sorry, hello, how are you doing? Send, hello, how are you doing? Type a message, I'm fine, bro. Send, I'm fine, bro. So, it's just something simple. So this loop, unless you break this loop, is going to keep, iterating forever. So we want to break it. So that's if send, but else. So else, that means if Mike did not press send. So as if send. Sorry, as if send is equal to quit. So let's just do press send or quit, right? Press send or quit. So if you press quit, it's gonna be print you have ended the conversation. So let's try this again. Okay, Mike type message, hello, Wow, that is good to hear. Right, that is good to hear. You know, send. Then wow, Jake. So let's say Jake press quit. Sorry. Oh, yeah. So under Jake, right? So let's say that's an if send, is equal to quit. That's under Jake, right? So we're just gonna do print. Right. So I feel this will work perfectly. This should work. This should work. This should work. This should work. So let's try it one more time. I've ended the message. So after you have ended the message, there should be a break, right? Um, hmm, I've ended the conversation, then break so that the loop will not start again. Then break so that the loop will not start again. So so when you break it, the loop will start again. It will just stop at ended the conversation. So let's try it one more time, right? So it will be Mike. Type a message. Hello, how are you doing? Check. Send. I am fine. What about you? Send. I am good. Thank you. Send. Great. So you can actually quit. You have ended the conversation. So this is very simple. It's not a rechat app, so but it's going to show you the logic behind how a rechat app actually works. So thank you guys. I would like you guys to drop your comment. What you want me to improve, and if you want me to post more things on Python, maybe a special topic on Python. You just want you guys to talk about something. Just comment. I want to see your comment. It means a lot to me. So thank you very much, guys. I'd like you guys to just like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you very much. VTech the Dev.